This workout is great if you are training right now for a 5 to 10K. Getting in some cross training is gonna help the performance of your run, help your run speed and the strength throughout your run. So you're gonna start off with a jog for 15 minutes. I'm gonna be just doing a demonstration, so I'm gonna be running for 30 seconds here. So I'm running at a quick pace here. So pump your elbows forward, core is nice and tight, and bring those knees forward. We're gonna hop off that treadmill and we're gonna go into a squat here. So we're just doing an air squat. So bring those legs right down to 90 degrees, squeeze the glutes forward. You wanna bring your bum all the way forward and feel almost like your pelvic thrusting your body forward. This is gonna help to activate your glutes, and your glutes are key in keeping that run strong. We're gonna do a one-legged jump squat here. So using the power of our leg, we're gonna pump up onto that bench. If this is too much for you, you can just do this hop on the floor and take the bench right out of it. Keep those shoulder blades down and focus on your breathing here. Try to get the lift off through your glutes and through those hip flexors. We're gonna go into 15 curtsy lunges here. So we're doing 15 a side. So we are really targeting the butt here to create the strength for our run. So we're gonna cross over slightly. So instead of a traditional lunge back, we're gonna go slightly to the side here. This helps to target the side of our glutes. Keep that chest up. Don't let yourself lean forward, which can be a habit when we squat or lunge. You wanna keep a nice straight alignment up and down here. Nice little tap back with that toe and squeeze in through the core. Feeling a burning in the butt is not gonna be odd here, so just try to breathe through it. We're gonna come over to that pull-up bar, grab on, and we're gonna do 30 core strengthening exercises. So you can pick whatever you like here. I'm doing a knee raise here, so core is gonna be nice and tight, and if you don't have a pull-up bar, focus on something that still is gonna strengthen your core, like a crunch or leg lifts here. Soft bend in the elbow here. You wanna really protect that joint and use those low abs to pull those legs up here. We're gonna jump back on that treadmill, get yourself set up, and your next run would be an 800-meter race speed here. So it'd be quite quick here. Once again, I'm just demonstrating, so this is a 30-second pace here. For the 800 meters though, you really wanna push yourself. Start off with just setting that pace for yourself, and then as you get closer to that end, really push to your max. Keep those knees coming forward, really kick those heels back towards your bum. We're gonna jump off the treadmill, and we're gonna go into 20 jump squats here. So dropping that bum once again to 90 degrees, squeezing those glutes up, and we're gonna burst off those toes. We're gonna do 20 bench dips here. So also super important with running is that our arms are strengthened. So we've got that nice drive with our arm when we're running. A lot of times when we're running, our shoulders, our arms can get weak. This is gonna help to keep your upper body nice and strong. Keep your butt nice and close to the bench and bend those elbows back. Squeeze to the tricep as you come up. We're gonna grab a set of dumbbells, grab a weight that's appropriate for you, and you're gonna go into 20 dumbbell lunges here. So we're bringing that foot out nice and far here, getting that back knee to hover right above the floor. And we're focusing on keeping that chest up so we're nice and strong through the body. Keep pulling those shoulders back and chin lifted here. And as you pull that foot back towards the body, really Focus on squeezing through the glutes. Use that strength through the back of the body to really pull that leg back. As you bring that leg forward and you plant the front foot, really push into the heel here. The more you push into the heel, the more you're going to activate the back of the leg here. Keep reminding yourself to drop that back knee nice and low to the floor. Don't lose sight of proper body form here. Nice work. Watch that knee. Make sure it doesn't come over the tip of the toe. We're going to come back to that pull-up bar. We're going to use those obliques here. So we're going to bring the body into a side twist here. So knees are going to be nice and close to each other, and we're going to twist side to side. Keep that soft bend in the elbows here. Holding with the arms and squeeze side to side. We're going to jump back on that treadmill, and we're going to be going for the 800-meter race speed again. Try to keep your breath nice and even, in through the nose, out through the mouth. When we focus on our breathing, our recovery rate can be a lot quicker. And we don't want to breathe through our mouth the whole time while we're running because it causes the body to go into panic. We're going to drop off that treadmill, grab a set of weights here, and we're just going to go into 20 squats here. So adding some weight into that squat, we're still keeping the speed here. Drop that butt nice and low and squeeze in through the glutes. Pick a weight that's a challenge here. So something that's going to have you feeling through those last 20 reps that you're challenging those legs. Keep that chest up and really squeeze forward on those glutes. Press in through the heels, activate through the back of the leg. We're going to grab that pull-up bar one more time. We're going to bring those legs right up to meet the top of the bars. This is a great exercise that you can do as well on the mat. So if you don't have a pull-up bar, you're just going to do a leg raise over the head and a slow release down. Keep breathing. Try to take as much swing out of the hips as you can while you're hanging from this pull-up bar. You're gonna run 1,500 meters here. So this is gonna be a longer run, so make sure that you're pacing yourself. This is my last 30-second sprint here that I'm demonstrating. Really focusing on keeping my shoulders up and really pumping those knees forward. Your legs are gonna be fatigued after all those exercises. Nice work.